Well, hello. Guess who and guess what? Well, the guess who is me, Robbie Susan Chandler. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I hold classes in my home every 2 weeks or so on Sunday, Mondays, and Thursdays. And if you live in the area, I'd love for you to come over and join us for a class. So now let's see what the what is today. It's this beautiful card in Pretty in Pink. And by the way, Pretty in Pink is one of our end colors. It's going to be going out at the end of April. So if you want this card stock in this color, you better grab it up soon. This card we actually made in class for a Easter card, but I have used it as a birthday card. But all you would need to do is stamp Happy Easter and put it in here, and you would have a beautiful Easter card. See all the pretty tulips and all on this paper? So let's look at this card and see what all these pretty pieces and sizes are. Okay, let me get my little sign out of the way. Okay, first our card base is Pretty in Pink, and it's 4 1/4 by 9 3/4, and then you score it at the 5 1/2, and that way you've got your normal card size. So 4 1/2 by 9 3/4, score at 5 1/2. Now on the inside, the first piece I put down, and I got a little scratchy throat. I was in Long Beach, California for Stampin' Up! Convention, and right after I got back, came down with this cold that I've been fighting a couple of weeks, and it's still kind of hanging on in the throat. So the first piece I put, well, the first piece I want to show you is this piece from, oh, let me go back for a minute. I want to show you this piece on the front. This pretty piece that we had on the front that you saw. It's 4 by 4, and it's from this pack called Mixed Up Patterns. Nope, sorry, it's called Pleasant Pattern Specialty Paper. And it was 4 by 4, and you see there's 3 designs in it. Let me show you the name of it. Pleasant Patterns. And you get 2 of each design, and they're Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, and Shy Shamrock. This would be the Peach Pie. Here's our Pretty in Pink and Shy Shamrock. So that's our front piece. Now when you open it up, the piece I put on the inside is this 4 by 5 1/4, and it comes from this pack called Mixed Up Patterns. And I used this kind of pinky piece right here, and it's going to go here. But before we do that, I used a 1 1/4 by 4 inch piece of this beautiful, it's called Pastel Shimmer Specialty Paper. And it comes with Pool Party, let's see, what do they call the yellow here? Lemon Lolly, and then Bubble Bath. And we use the Bubble Bath piece. And we're also going to use the Bubble Bath piece for this oval on the front. So, after I cut this piece 4 by 4 1/4, I textured it or embossed it with this all in a row embossing folder. And this is one that's thin, so it requires 2 clear plates. And here's the beautiful design we got from that. And then I just adhered it down here. And I'll show you that here. Here we go. So here's our first step. And the reason I glued this down first, sometimes if you cut it a little bit too long, you can trim it off before you glue it down. So then we're just going to put it down on the inside of our card, like this. And then this piece, this white piece, is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. And I stamped in Pretty in Pink this sentiment from Paper Tags, the Pretty in Pink ink. So we're going to just glue it down right there. So now we finished the inside. So let's work on the front. So the first piece I showed you was this piece from Pleasant Patterns. So we just glue it to the front. Let me turn this over. And then we have some vellum pieces and other pieces. Let me pull this over. These are all from the Scalloped Wishes dies. And I cut a piece of vellum with this outline one. There's your vellum. And then I cut the shimmer paper with this one. Now I have also used this set on another card, and I'll show you it real quick. This card I used the scallops on it. And there is a video for this card if you just look through my videos. It's probably called Scallop Wishes. Alright, so these are the the two pieces we're going to need. Now, what I did when I glued these together, let me get this out of the way, I put a little dot of glue just in these bigger spots. And if you have some kind of sticky stuff you can put on the back, you can do that too. But if you want to use a green and white glue, you just put a little dot in these bigger places and just adhere it to here. And that way, when you get ready to glue this down, you can put the glue in those same spots and just stick it down. So here's one I've already done. I've got it glued down with a little bit of extra glue there we don't want. Now, one other piece we cut is this piece in vellum. It's this die, and it's from Delicate Wishes. Sorry, Delicate Whispers, and it's this one right here. And these are all the dies in this set. And I cut it out of vellum, which is white or clear, but I wanted it to show up better. So I just took my blend and colored it and ended up with this. Here, let me turn it over and let you see. So see, we ended up with this after we just colored. And you could color both sides. This one I just colored the front, and I used the dark Pretty in Pink to color it with. So once you get that colored, you can just slip it down in here like that and put it on your card front. And I have actually already done that. So here we go. Now, I used these little gems called Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink to add a little snazz there. Now, one thing during class we noticed that some people, or one person, put their oval the other way, and I liked it. So let me show you the other one. There. So look at the two. I like either one of them. Tell me below which one you like best, the up and down, or what do we call this, portrait scallop, or the landscape one, but I think they both look really good. So here's our card. Quick, easy. You can use a little bit or a lot of designer paper, whatever you want to do. I hope you like my video. Please like it, please share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to be your demonstrator. I'll have links to all the supplies below. And if you'd like to be on a team, I'd love to be your team leader. So until next time, stay happy and happy crafting.